It's something that my father inculcated in.
Inculcated means to teach and impress by frequent repetitions or admonitions. Inculcated का मतलब है बार बार दोहराकर या समझाकर सिखाना.
Me very early in life. He said that education is of prime importance. It was my dream school to go to Oxford, and I didn't get in. And I thought that the world was going to end that day. I didn't know what to do. I called my mother up, hysterically crying.
Hysterically, in an uncontrolled or extreme manner, often due to strong emotions like fear, anger, or excitement. It can also mean something extremely funny. Hysterically का मतलब अत्यधिक भावनाओं के कारण अनियंत्रित या उन्मत्त तरीके से.
Saying, Mom, I've gotten rejected from Oxford. I don't know what to do. And then sure enough, the Common Apps came in and I got into Columbia. And those 3 years that I spent in New York, I mean, I would give an arm and a leg to do it again.
An arm and a leg. Something that is very expensive or costs a lot of money. An arm and a leg का मतलब कुछ जो बहुत महंगा हो या जिसकी कीमत बहुत अधिक हो.
And I think it's moments like that that you realize that people know what they're doing, There's a reason I didn't get into Oxford and there's a reason I got into Columbia. And if you knew me at all, you would understand that I was happier in New York City than I would have been in Oxford, and to each their own. But I would definitely say that when you think about education, as important as it is, it's also very personal. So be sure and be careful to be yourself because that's the most important thing. Both my parents are kind of very
Adamant, refusing to be persuaded or to change one's mind, firm and unyielding. Adamant का मतलब अटल, अडिग, हठी किसी बात पर दृढ़ रहना.
adamant on a balanced childhood and a balanced life, which entails, I think, education as well as, fitness and a little bit of fun because it's important. And I see eye to eye with them on that. And as far as career is concerned, I mean, as the introduction, I was given very
generously, in a way that shows a willingness to give more of something, especially money or help, than is usual or expected. Generously का मतलब उदारतापूर्वक.
states. Both my parents kind of belong to the same world that I aspire to be part of. So it would be borderline hypocritical of them.
Hypocritical, pretending to have certain beliefs or feelings when you really do not. Hypocritical का मतलब पाखंडपूर्ण ऐसा दिखावा करना कि आपके पास कुछ विश्वास या भावनाएं हैं, जबकि वास्तव में ऐसा नहीं है.
To say you can't do this, So, I mean, as long as they have a balanced kid that can enjoy work, but also, have some sense of a life external to films, because it's important, I think, to be a holistic human being,
Holistic, considering the whole system, including all parts, rather than just focusing on individual components. Holistic का मतलब पूरे तंत्र को सभी हिस्सों सहित विचार करना, न कि केवल व्यक्तिगत घटकों पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना.
And I've always felt that way. Education was never either or for me. So there was no pressure. We kind of totally agreed. In fact, if anything, I tell my father till date that the best gift he's given me is 3 years in Columbia. I am who I am because of that, So there was no pressure. I think it was full agreement.